to step-by-step PowerPoint. Do you like to have resume like this? You can catch any eyes in your resume if you make it in this way. Today you'll learn how to create your own resume. But before that, subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot. Our first step is setting size for our resumes. Go to the tab Design and in the right size in Slide Size, go to the Custom Slide Size and change it to the A4 papers and put it in Portrait and select OK and Maximize. It's a proper size for resumes. In this step, for drawing our background, at first go to the tab Insert, choose Shape and choose Rectangle. So draw your rectangle in different size that you like it, and it needs some changes. For these changes, right click on Shape and go to the Edit Points and change its points like this way. You can change its color to the color that is your favorite. For example, I put it in the green. So another thing, you need to add another shape for this resume. I click in these shapes, right click, edit points, and then I send it to the back. Draw another rectangle and change its color to the green and add effects for looking more better. In this step, we want to add our picture. I download a picture and put it in the main page, so it needs to be cropped. So click on Shapes, go to the Shape Format and click on Crop and go to the aspect ratio and choose 1:1 rect. Choose the best positions for your picture. And then again go to the crop and crop it to the shape. I choose circle for my picture. Now you can add any effects on your pictures. Go to the picture format, effects, and I choose this bubble for my picture. Now I want to add a shape around my picture, so go to the tab Insert, Shapes, and I choose this shape like a donut. Here is the same as a circle, so I draw this shape around my picture. I choose the best position for these shapes and then I change its color. In this box, we want to write about our name in a small information. For example, Sarah Kens, she is an urban designer. In the vertical box that located in the left, we want to add information about myself. For example, adding information about your email address, your phone, your location, home address, websites, or any links such as a link in Instagram or something like this. For adding your email information, we need the shapes and icons. First, I choose these shapes and change its size and positions. Then I rotate it and change its color. For looking more better, I add some effects on these shapes, change its shadows, and maybe if you like it, you can add bevel. Now we need icons. For example, in the first step we need mail icons. Go to the Google. You can search on freepik.com for emails, and then you can search it, for example, mail icon PNG. There is lots of mail icons that you can download, whatever that you want. I download this mail icon for my resume. I change its background and make it smaller and put it in the shape that I drew it before. You can download any icons that you like. And in another step, I want to add my email here, sarakan@gmail.com. Now you can change its color and font and size and put it in better positions. I download other icons such as a phone number, websites, location, and home addresses and add this information to my resume. You can download and write your information. In next step, we want to write about our skill. Go to the tab Insert and draw a shape, for example, a rectangle. I draw it here and change its size and change its color and add effects, for example, these shadows to this shape, and write a skill in the middle of this box. Change its color and size. Sarakan is an urban designer, so we want to talk about here a skill about urban designer software such as ArcGIS or Space Syntax. Now add a text box and write your specific software that is your skill. Now we want to write about how much she knows about these skills. I write a shape for this and add some effect and change its color. Now 80% she knows about ArcGIS Pro and another percentage for Space Syntax. Now we want to talk about language. How much languages she knows. I copy these shapes again and change the skills to the language. And then I write about language that she knows, for example, French and German. And now I want to show another way to show how much you know about something. You can use this presentation for your skills too, but now in this step I want to choose it for your language. For this, go to the shape and choose rectangle and draw it. Again, I choose another rectangle and draw it in the rectangle that I drew it before. And I change the color to another thing. For example, I choose green for this. And it's presented how much she knows French language. Another thing, for example, she knows about German language. In the main box on top, we write short information about ourselves. For example, write about one paragraph about your ability. In our resume, we talk about our education, job positions, projects, or other information that is important for our resume. So, in the first step, I want to write about education. I need the icon of education and a text box for education. As you see, I download an icon that is related to the education and add the text box and write education on this text box. You can download any icons that is your favorite from Google. Now I want to write about education, master degree and bachelor degree. For this, I write a line and change its color and width. Now, write about your master degree and bachelor degree, which university and when you started and when you graduated. Talk about this education part. In the next, I write about my work experience and personal projects and download icons that are related to these parts. You can download any icon that you like from Google or free big icon packs. Today, we'll learn how to create great resume for ourselves. Definitely, you can create other attractive design for your resume with your own creativity. I'm sure about it. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot!